So, what's going on, guys? I'm here with Callum.
You alright, guys?
We're in a Golf Mark 7 Golf R. How much power?
421.
421, tuned by
Road Rage Performance.
As normal. Props to Leon again. And before we get into anything, you can already hear the sound of it.
Yeah, it's quite loud.
So it's got, I presume, I'm going to lead you into it. I presume it's got some sort of pop and bang map on it.
Yeah, it's a map so it only pops in race.
Yeah.
And then all the others, it just crackles because of the decat.
Is that so you don't drive around daily just like holding your head because you've got a filthy decat headache?
Yeah, pretty much.
So it's 300 brake when you got it. And is that the standard power?
Yeah, that's standard. 300 brake, I believe they come out of this model, and I think it's the older, the newer model, sorry, it comes out 310.
Okay, cool. And so what was the first thing you did on it?
A week later I bought wheels.
A week later?
And then about 3 weeks later I took it in for the exhaust and remap stage 1.
Oh, that's so me. Let's just start modifying it straight away. This is where you get to give it a bit of beans.
I like to have it close and like a race car.
That's what, yeah, Daryl's the same.
I don't, because my friend, he has it like set way back. He has his seat like all the way back, and it's not good. The clutch might be a bit heavy and it is a bit jumpy.
Oh, so that's weird, isn't it? So that's the normal position, or is it just because I'm sat really far back?
Yeah, that's normal.
I think it's really far back here.
Yeah. It's weird being driven. The last time I let someone drive my car, curved my wheel.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I've got this thing where I drive like 3 miles away from the curb because I'm so scared of doing it.
Yeah.
Going the other way. Have you done anything to the brakes on it?
Yeah, I got Brembo's, did some pads all round.
Oh, it does feel nice. similar problems, Daryl. Even though I absolutely adore the RS6, it doesn't feel like you're driving a family car.
Yeah.
And I wouldn't say this feels like you're driving a family car, but it feels like you're driving a hot hatch. Yeah. Which I've got like some crazy love for.
Yeah. It's quite fun. I like it because it's like it's fun, it's nimble, and like you can tell you're in a small car. Well, fairly small car.
Definitely pulls. What does it rev up to?
Well, I'll be honest, I've never gone. I usually hit around the 7k.
Yeah, I was pretty much staying at 6.5 just then. That's the first thing. I don't know whether I'm just one of them, but the first thing I do when I get in the car is just rev all the way to the top. See where it goes.
Yeah.
Oh, it was good while it lasted. So I gather this gets a hell of a lot of attention.
Yeah, it does, to be fair. I mean, I bought the car and I have modified it the way I want because I like the way it is, the way it looks, the way it sounds, but it does gather a lot of attention, especially in small built-up areas. Like you'll just find people stare as you're going through. Mainly, yeah, because it's loud, but I do get a lot of attention when I go to car meets.
That's a good thing, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, I wouldn't say that's why you modify a car, but that's part of it. You modify your car so other people can see it. And
yeah. Like I get my friends take the piss because people will just come up to me and they start going, "Oh look, I got a Golf R." And now I'm proud that I've actually got a nice car, and it's nice feeling that people come up to you, talk to you about your car, and it's the amount of friends I've made from having this car.
That's what it's about. That's literally what part of what we're trying to get sort of into. It's because like we've got like a big R-line group, if you will, and the only thing we kind of bonded through was cars.
Yeah, like various things. Like I was at a car meet once, revving it, and you gather a crowd, and a fellow came over to me. His name's Sean, and he was asking me about the car, and he has a Golf R as well, asking me what I've done to it, etc, etc. Got following him on Instagram, and then I met up with him and his friends, and then their friends of friends, and then now we all have like a group.
Yeah.
And it's brilliant. Like we got quite a few cars in our little group, and we have little meetups, and it's good.
That was awesome. Before we get to anything, have you got any social medias you want to promote?
My Instagram's hutch.89, and I've got a lot of credit for road rage, performance. I've got a good pal of mine that does a lot of work on my cars, and his name's rlinert. His Instagram's rlinert, and my best friend Cameron, he's Big C99, and he does all my tyres, tracking, everything, and I call them and they're there for me. And we've got a group called Mexico City Revs on Instagram, magazine coming out soon, and so that will be good. They're on Instagram, Mexico City Revs.
Alright, cool. Any more? Is that it?
As far as I'm aware.
Okay,
yeah,
cool. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, we've got North Coast 500 coming up next year. It's on the website live, rlinert.co.uk. Peace.